to the My Account page. And so this is one of the ways you can join a project. If you click this bulk join projects, and what that means is it brings up a list of all the projects in Datashed. And so you can actually go down through here and click on them. So you can click on, for instance, let's say I want to join, BC 16 and BC 19, and maybe Big Bertha, and then I can't, it's not showing me I wonder if it's because I'm not sharing the screen. I just used the down arrow here. And unfortunately, you have to go all the way to the bottom and then hit submit a join request. So that's thinking, and so it's sent, and so it says that the group join request was sent. And so then basically people who are considered administrators for that individual project will receive an email. So I actually have received an email, or I probably should, I need to go back. Yeah, and I have received an email, asking for permission, to join that project. And there's actually a couple ways that I can actually approve that project. I'd have to actually share. I wonder. Let's try this new share. Let's see if I can actually go on here and. Hopefully I won't mess this up. And so I can go on and actually and so I actually have a thing here that I can actually check on pending memberships. And so I can approve memberships. And so actually, okay, I'm actually familiar with this person, and so I'm going to actually approve memberships. I might have to go back and check those later. Okay. Now the question is, how do I get back to, I'm not sure which screen I'm sharing.
You're sharing the one that says membership updated, if that's helpful.
Okay, thanks, Mike. I wasn't sure which one. Okay, so it did work the way I thought. Okay, so and hopefully I'm now showing the user account again. And if I update that, see, now I'm now a member. Another way of sort of joining a project is that if you are, let's say, if you go to an individual project, so I'm just, to make this faster, I'm just going to click here on Alder Bog. And so under when you're logged in, and there's a button here under membership that you just click and say you want to join the project. And so again, it'll end up sending an email to me, and actually to other people who are associated with that project, and then I can go on and approve them, or they can go on and approve them. And so that's how you become members to projects. And then once you're a member of the project, then there are actually different permission levels that can be assigned to you. And that's something actually that I'm hoping to kind of work on and improve, is these sort of permission levels. They changed from, when we switched from the Drupal 6 to the new version of Datashed, the different permissions changed. And so I think we probably still need to do some tweaking on what permissions people actually have. And it does get complicated. for there, because every single little thing that you can do in Datashed has a permission associated with it. And some of those permissions are actually, Drupal specific permissions, and some of them are permissions that are, related to specific things related to the water, to Datashed. And so there's this whole long list, and different roles that you have to sign. And it's pretty complicated and time consuming. And so we'll probably have to adjust those as we go along here. But as a user, and actually I can kind of show that a little bit with a project that I'm in. Probably can show you that. If I go to a project under membership, this fake account only has a certain level of membership, and so, but you can, as a member, view different members. So these are all people who have who are members of that project, and that's at that level of permission. That's all that this person could see. However, if I were to go to, let's see here, well, if I select here, so now I think, yeah, I am now on my administrative account. If I go into I can actually click on here to see viewing pending, but I can also manage members. And so you can see that mine is a much different screen, and it tells me what member roles that this person has. And then I can actually come in here and change that role. And so like the fake account has no role, so I could come in here and change it to, I can assign, the role. So, I could just make this person a project, contributor or manager or an administrator if I wanted to. So let's go back here to the main screen here. Okay, so that's sort of the basic things in terms of becoming a member, or becoming a member of Datashed, as well as becoming members of projects. And I believe I actually do have that on becoming a member as a tutorial as well in the help section. But it's fairly straightforward as people kind of get used to it.